one of the most hardy plants in the world is this one. It's called Dioides, and there's a number of different types of Dioides, and you need to be warned about that. But look at the colours. An artist couldn't do any better. You've got this lovely, almost a chrome yellow through to a wonderful mauvey pink and then white. And you look along here, just fantastic. And you can put a flamethrower to it and it'd just grow back. But do be careful. Some of the white ones will seed everywhere and you could spend the rest of your gardening life trying to remove them. So you just need to be careful. Or you put them in somewhere where they can't escape so much, but they do send seeds out everywhere. But Dioides in median strips in the road, fantastic. Because any seeds that fly away probably burn to death on the road. It's still a lovely plant.